joining compensation cess on cars, coal, and arguing that the modalities of work. Welcome to Warm channel. This is Vijayalakshmi from Nenu Navarthala. New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said his government would continue its focus on spending up projects of strategic importance and improve the infrastructure in the border region. Modi, who was inaugurating the Atal Tunnel, which opens a shorter all-weather route underneath the Rohtang Pass linking Manali to Leh, spoke about the neglect of the need to improve border infrastructure in the previous decades to assert that the situation has now changed, and in the last 6 years, the border infrastructure, be it roads, bridges or tunnels, is being developed with full impetus and great speed. Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao is working on a new agriculture marketing policy which will allow the state to act as an intermediary between the farmers and the buyers. The move comes in the wake of Parliament passing the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Bill, which allows farmers and traders to freely trade among themselves anywhere in the country. 40 lakh farmers to benefit from this Raitu Bandhu scheme, which has become a model for the centre and many other states. State government is likely to reduce the layout regularization scheme. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao assured ministers and his party's legislators that the bill will positively consider their request to slash down the LRS fee, although it was already reduced last request. NASA launches spacecraft named Kalpana Chawla, an US resupply mission to the International Space Station dedicated to Indian-American astronaut Kalpana Chawla, lifted off at 6:46 a.m. IST from NASA Swallows flight in Virginia. Lockdown effect not only poor, others too opted for PDS ration. Around 30k appear for civil prelims. Close to 30,000 aspirants from Telangana appeared for the Union Public Service Commission's Civil Services preliminary examinations that was held in 2 shifts at over 100 centers in Hyderabad and Warangal. Many candidates found the difficulty level to be moderate this year. There were a lot of questions on agriculture, including the minimum support price, eco-friendly agriculture practices, agriculture procurements, etc., said an aspirant. The Executive PGDM program opens the door for transition to a higher level position in the corporate world. German ambassador and 9 musicians come up with the Indian version of Wind of Change. Apart from fulfilling his official duties as the German ambassador, Walter J. Lindner had another project in hand during the lockdown, creating something special to commemorate the 30th anniversary of German reunification on October 3rd. Cine News. After spending nearly 6 months at home, owing to the pandemic, Taapsee Pannu started shooting for her Tamil film in Jaipur last month, and it made her nostalgic. The actress says, "As a kid, I used to be excited and would look forward to returning to school after vacations. Remembering that feeling when a kid goes back to school after a long break, it felt exactly like that." Though the actress was back to doing what she loves the most, Taapsee says that the big gap led to a dip in confidence while facing the camera. GST compensation says to stay beyond June 22 to help states. New Delhi. After joining hands with the status at the GST Council to extend the applicability of compensation cess on cars, coal and soft drinks beyond June 2022, the centre on Monday closed the room for further negotiation, arguing that the modalities of borrowing funds can't be finalized by the panel comprising union and state finance ministers. 2 from Telangana and AP in JEE Advanced Top 10. Hyderabad. 1 student each from the 2 Telugu states secured a spot among the top 10 rankers in the joint entrance exam Advanced 2020, results of which were announced. Gangula Bhuvan Reddy from Produttur in Kadapa in AP secured All India Rank 2, and Hardik Rajpal from Manikonda in the city secured All India Rank 6. Rajpal, who is from MP, has been studying in the city since class 8. Another student from AP, Laddu Jitender, secured the first rank in the OBC category and 14th rank in the open category. In 2019, 3 students from Telangana had made it to top 10. To counter China, India offers Myanmar a $6 billion oil refinery. PM says, need to protect world against artificial intelligence weaponization. New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that artificial intelligence should be used to drive in intelligent and inclusive growth across the country, but warned that there is a need to protect the world against weaponization of artificial intelligence by non-state actors. Ambani said that digital growth and 4G are helping the country bring out tremendous amount of data, which is a crucial ingredient for artificial intelligence. Data is the raw material for artificial intelligence. Intelligent data is digital capital. It is a vital national resource. In the past, nations have competed on physical capital, financial capital, human capital, and intellectual capital. But in the coming decades, nations will increasingly compete on digital capital. Thanking you. Signing off, your Vijay Lakshmi.
Please do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Wow.